Hey everybody, welcome to Animation Capstone. That's right, welcome to Animation Capstone. We're finally at the end, that's correct. It's going to be a good week, a lot of good things. Really excited to see your presentations and all that stuff. So a lot of good stuff to talk about. So yeah, let's get into it. So today, I'm just going to remind you of what's going on and how everything's going about. Just to give everybody a heads up that we have presentations tomorrow. If you want to do presentations at 7 o'clock, you're more than welcome to. If you do not, that is cool. You can just do it online on the discussions. There's a couple ways to go about this. So I want to give you guys the heads up in your announcements on how you can do this. So let's just take a look at the assignments real quick and let's go from there. So if you take a look at your discussions, you have your shot list. That's your main assignment. And we'll talk about that during your discussions or during your presentations. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I'll have the rubrics posted online, so they're already on the announcements. But you have two paths you can do this. So one, if you can't make it for class, that's fine. You can do this on the discussions, and you have to keep this in mind that this is the last week. Everything's due on Friday, so make sure that you have everything turned in by Friday night, so that way everything's ready to go. Other than that, you have two paths on how to succeed with this, so you can do this on one. You can either present your assignment in class live with me. You can go about it. You can go about through the 5 minutes of it and how to go about it. I'm looking for at least about and I'll cover the rubric with you here in a little bit and what I'm expecting from the presentation. So what I would like to do, you can present it live in class. If you participated live in class, you do not need to post a response. You will be awarded credit based upon your participation in the live class. All you have to do is just, I'll explain what to write in the discussion part of the assignment. Now, if you do decide to do this online and post your video presentation online of your demo reel, that's going to be pretty much going to be on the discussions, and you have to reply to each and every one of everybody, making sure that for your initial post, you're going to plan, record, and upload your presentation. Use any of the free screen capturing programs that you can use. I like Screencast. That works fine with me. And then walk through of your demo reel. I'd like a description of your progress through the semester and examples of what have you changed, added, or deleted to each piece. And then examples of your in-shot progress list. And then explain about challenges you had and how you overcame them, pretty much. Other than that, that's pretty much it. It's a 3 to 5 minute video, so you're going to be running through your video, also explaining your process and also explaining examples of what you adapted and how you changed things, and then talking about your shot list in the end, and that's pretty much it. So I'm looking for about 3 to 5 minutes really presenting your material, and that's what I'm looking for in the presentation. I'd also like you to provide a brief summary of your demo reel. Your summary should include your name, what your career goal is, any links to work on the website, a brief description of your own, and that's pretty much it. And that's what I want for your initial post. That's what's going to be looking for not only just if you do not present in class. If you don't present in class, this is what I'm looking for. If you do present in class, all I need you to do is just to pretty much post your brief summary, and that's all you need to worry about. That's it. You don't need to do any replies. You don't need to post your demo reel or links to your demo reel. Just the brief summary, and that's pretty much it. And that's all you need from there. So, yeah, that's all you're going to be going with, and then a link of your demo reel, and that's it. That's it for if you show up to presentation. If you don't show up, that's cool. You're going to provide everything listed here for your initial post, a walkthrough of your demo reel, description of your progress this semester in a 3 to 5 minute video, recorded, obviously. Post that along with a brief written summary of your goals. That's your initial post. Then you need to respond to and watch and review at least the other presentations that didn't present in class. And you need to make sure you go through that, and also make sure to respond to everybody else in class. That's pretty much it. So that's why I ask everybody to post a link of their videos. I want you to give direct feedback on the video itself and show it. But if you missed the presentation, it is what it is. So yeah, that's what it is. I'm just asking you to reply to everybody's post and give feedback on their presentations or their demo reels. That's for the reply post. If you don't show up in class, that's it. So cool. That's pretty much all I'm looking for. Other than that, lectures are the exact same. Any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. Other than that, that's it for the presentation. If you are here, all you gotta do is just post the brief description and links to your links to your demo reel. If you're not here, then you're going to do your presentation online on a video, and then you're going to reply to everybody's in the class. So that's pretty much, and give feedback based off that stuff. Other than that, that's pretty much all I got. So, yeah, be safe, have fun, enjoy. I'll see everybody for lecture tomorrow. Other than that, that's it. So, any questions, comments, concerns, let me know. But I'm looking forward to seeing everybody. We'll also talk about shot list too. So that's another assignment. Keep a look at the rubrics. Those are posted online. Other than that, that's it. All right. See everybody for presentations. If not, see everybody on discussions and take a look from there. That's all I got. Be safe, have fun. Hope to see everybody here for one more time. That's it. All right, everybody. Enjoy. Bye-bye.